Well, here's the view out the back door of the snow, and Jack shoveled last night about 6 inches. So add that to the totals. You can see it all the way up, drifts of it all the way up to the fence. It's a lot of snow, and it's still coming down. You can see that it's really deep on our front porch, or back porch. And when I open the back door, I had to pull a little, but that's how high it is. What would you say, about 2.5 feet there?
Yeah.
The front door. So, lots of shoveling to go now. And hopefully no one falls.
Sun is picking through.
Oh. Now we're seeing some hope, some sun maybe coming through a little bit. But